I'm Carl Parker, and the first time we used Joe Robbins and Deep Reflections was about 10 years ago when we made our initial decision to put in a hardwood floor in our den in our home. And the process was just the best. It was virtually dust-free, utterly professional, on time, on schedule, and the floor has been beautiful for us for 10 years, virtually maintenance-free. And unfortunately, as it happens in the best of houses, our hot water heater flooded last year. And of course, we had to call Joe again. And that was the first phone call I made for him to come and replace that hardwood floor. So we have now used him with Deep Reflections twice. The process is virtually dust-free. It's right on schedule. He helps you make good choices and good decisions, and we couldn't be more pleased. We've had lots of company since the floor was put in, and the first question they ask is, can I have his name? So I would urge you to give him a call and give him some consideration because he's the best in the business.